lesson is all about addition of polynomials. And these are the keywords that you need to remember: similar terms or like terms, and dissimilar terms or unlike terms. So let us illustrate similar terms or like terms. For example, apple plus apple is equal to 2 apples. This is an example of similar terms or like terms. This is because they're both apples, which means that they are the same. How about dissimilar terms or unlike terms? For example, apple plus banana is equal to apple and banana. Why is it so? This is because they are unlike terms, because they are different fruits. Now, let's use that idea in addition of monomials. From the given direction, combine similar terms or like terms. For number 1, 2a plus a. It is similar to having 2 apples plus another apple, which means you will have 3a. Now, how does it happen that it is equal to 3a? So let us have this as our solution. 2a plus a. In adding monomials, the first thing that you need to do is to add the numerical coefficient. In 2a, the numerical coefficient is 2. How about in a? As you observe, you didn't see any numerical coefficient, but there is one in here. Because this is 1a. But since that is 1, you don't need to write 1. And from here, we will now add the numerical coefficient. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then, just simply copy the given literal coefficient or the variable, which is a. That is how we get 3a. Another, 8b plus negative 3b. So, we have to use what we have studied about integers. 8b plus negative 3b. Again, we're going to add the numerical coefficient. However, the numerical coefficient in here are positive and negative. Now, how are we going to add it? So we have 8 positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 3 negative. 1, 2, 3. From what we have studied about addition of integers, a pair of positive and negative number is equivalent to 0. So this will be 0, 0, and 0. So how many were left? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer will be 5 positive or positive 5. And just simply copy the given literal coefficient or the given variable, which is b. And therefore, the answer will be 5b. For number 3, negative 7c plus 10c. So, since they are similar terms, then let's just combine them. So, we have 7 negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 10 positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, a pair of positive and negative number results to 0. So we have here 7 negative. And then we'll take away 7 positive. And from here, the answer will be positive 3c. For number 4, negative d plus negative 3d. So we have negative d and negative 3d. As you observe, they are both negative. And if the integers are both negative, then we will just combine them, which will give you negative 4d. For number 5, in here, we have three monomials. Those are 4a, 3a, and 2b. But we will just combine similar terms. And the similar terms in here are 4a and 3a. Because the variable in here is b. So let's add 4a and 3a. We will have 7a. Now what will happen to 2b? We will just copy 2b. And therefore, the final answer is 7a plus 2b. Why is it so? Because we cannot combine a to b because they are unlike terms. Another, for number 6, 4a squared plus 3a plus 7. Are there similar terms? Observe a. They're both a. However, their exponents are not the same, which means to say that they are unlike terms. And if they are unlike terms, we cannot combine them. And if we cannot combine them, then the answer is still 4a squared plus 3a plus 7. Next, how about if we add binomials? So we have 4a plus 3b plus 6a plus 2b. So in here, we are going to align similar terms. So 4a plus 3b. So that is the given binomial. Plus 6a plus 2b. Since they are already aligned, we can now combine them. 4a plus 6a, we will have 10a. 3b plus 2b, we will have 5b. Therefore, the answer is 10a plus 5b. Another, 2m squared plus 3n plus negative 7m cubed plus 8n. Again, we are going to align similar terms. So, we have here 2m squared plus 3n. And then we are going to add negative 7m cubed plus 8n. However, the exponent of m in here is cubed. The exponent of m in here is squared, which means that they are unlike terms. So you cannot align them. So we'll have to write negative 7m cubed in here plus 8n. So we will have to add terms that are aligned to each other. So in here, there is no any other term that has m cubed. So let's just copy negative 7m cubed. Now, what will be the sign in here? Since 2m squared in here is positive, then this will be plus. Plus 2m squared. Plus 3n plus 8n, we will have 11n. So the answer will be negative 7m cubed plus 2m squared plus 11n. For number 9, negative 6x squared plus x plus negative 4x squared plus 12x. Again, you have to align similar terms. So you have here negative 6x squared plus x. And you have to add it to negative 4x squared plus 12x. Since they are both negative, then this will be negative 10x squared. Plus, in here, this means 1x, not 0x. Again, there is 1. And 1 plus 12 is 13. And therefore, our answer will be negative 10x squared plus 13x. And for the last one, say we have negative 6x to the fourth plus 2y plus negative 4x squared plus 5y. Again, align similar terms. So negative 6x to the fourth plus 2y. Then we have here negative 4x squared plus 5y. They are not aligned because the exponent of x in here is 4 and the exponent of x in here is 2, which means to say that they are unlike terms. So the answer will be negative 6x to the 4th. Then let's just bring down negative 4x squared. Then we will add 2y and 5y, which will give you 7y. And therefore, final answer will be negative 6x to the fourth minus 4x squared plus 7y. And that's it. I hope you learned.